Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. Welcome back to Dosung Web TV for the ASEAN Malaysia Stats Week 2025. We are here for the 15th session of the ASEAN Community Statistical System (SCSS) Committee and also ASEAN Malaysia Statistical Forum (AMSF). So for our next session, today we are with Miss Minerva Eluesa Esquivias, Deputy National Statistician, Philippine Statistic Authority. So how are you today, Miss?
Thank you for inviting me. Of course, I have a very nice stay in Malaysia, especially in this town, Melaka City. Of course, the people, the colleagues from Dosung, thank you very much for this wonderful organized.
Is the food okay so far?
Yes, of course, the food. I forgot the name. It's Asam Pedas.
Asam Pedas, yeah, Asam Pedas.
Asam Pedas and the bihon. I like the bihon.
Asam Pedas is a signature food for Melaka City,
Yes.
actually. So even us Malaysian will come to Melaka to eat Asam Pedas specifically. So I will ask the question for the web TV. So far, you have been here for 2 days.
Yes.
How has SCSS 15 has been so far? Has it made your expectation?
Yeah, actually, this ACSS 15, I'd like first of all to take this opportunity to thank Dosung for organizing a very wonderful experience. This is the 15th ACSS, and I think Malaysia has already exceeded our expectations. So in fact, the event for 2 days has been very well organized. We met our objectives. The meeting itself is, I think, all of the participants, not just us. I think we are in unison for saying that Malaysia did a very good job.
Thank you so
Of
much.
course, this is also an opportunity for all of us to network. Of course, we are here together with our colleagues from the different AMSs. So I'm happy also to be here with them.
Thank you so much, Miss. So, you know that this year is the year where Malaysia will be the chairman, and for the ASEAN, next year it will be Philippines to take the baton. We will pass the baton to Philippines. So, how might the Philippines use its chairmanship next year in 2026
yeah.
to further strengthen SCSS?
Actually, the Philippines is very excited to host the next meeting. This is the 16th meeting of the ACSS and the other working groups meetings. So, under the leadership of our National Statistician and Civil Registrar General, Dr. Dennis Mapa, we are actually preparing for the chairship of the Philippines for 2026. First of all, since 2026 is the initial year of the ACSS Action Plan 2026 to 2030, together with the ASEAN Secretariat, we are ready to steer the first year. So a lot of things will happen next year, all of the activities that have been planned and that is part of the action plan for 2026 to 2030. So we're ready to start the ball rolling. In fact, among all other activities that have been planned next year, we will be organizing the ASEAN Forum on
ASEAN Forum
SDGs
as well, yeah.
statistics. So we are happy to invite all of the representatives and delegates from all the AMSs, including Timor-Leste. I forgot, we are also excited to welcome, aside from the 10 member states, and we're now 11. So I'm happy to welcome also Timor-Leste representatives. So we also have a lot of in store for the ASEAN delegates in the 2026 meetings. We will be making sure that the stay of all the delegates will be an exciting and, should I say, more meaningful stay in the Philippines. And of course, beyond work, beyond the meeting, we're happy to make sure that everyone will feel very welcome in the country, will be showing them the Filipino culture, the Filipino cuisine, and the rich history that we have in our country. So I'd like everyone to come visit the Philippines, especially the Malaysians, the neighbors, all the AMSs. You are very much welcome in our country.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. So I suppose the SCSS 16 will be held in Manila. Is it correct?
Yes, most of the meetings will be done in Manila, but I think it's not yet final, but we're working out ways to make sure that in some of those meetings we'll be able to visit other parts of the country.
So thank you so much. It's been great hearing from you on the Philippines preparation for the next year. I guess everybody will be very busy next year, but I have feeling that Philippines will be well prepared. So we are also looking forward. I also look forward to go to Philippines. I am in the WGDSA members,
okay.
so I'm not sure if WGDSA will be held in Philippines or at Jakarta. But I hope that I have the opportunity to go to Philippines as well, let's say maybe for SCSS as well. So thank you again, Miss Minerva, for joining us and sharing your insight for this web TV. And we look forward to see you again at the next ASEAN event, and of course in the Philippines next year.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and see you again in the next web TV session.
Thank you.